Hello again, it's Jeff from Bowline Industries, and on this video I'm going to demonstrate how to correctly tie the inside bowline. This is one of the required knots for the NCCCO Rigor 1 practical exam. So people tie bowlines in many ways, but generally when I'm teaching these knots, I'm teaching it to someone that doesn't know how to tie the knot to begin with, so I try to come up with a strategy that will keep them consistent while they're trying to learn the knot. You're going to take the end of your rope, you're going to pass it through this eye bolt. Then you're going to make a loop on this other side. I always tell students to place this loop inside the center of your work area here. So in between your hands, facing the middle of this work area. Now, when you look at how this loop is formed, and you see that the remainder of the rope is on the bottom of the loop, you want to keep that in mind when you're forming this knot. Because this portion is on the bottom of this loop, we're going to go from the bottom of the loop, then we're going to go around the bottom of the remainder of the rope. And at this point, you just want to poke it right back through the loop. Like so. Now they call this the inside bowline because this dead end is inside of this loop. Keeps it from getting hung up on things. So, just to demonstrate why I teach students with that consistency, I'll undo it just like it sits. And because I told you earlier the remainder is on the bottom, well, let's change that. Oh, it gets tricky. There we go. Okay. Now the remainder for this loop is on the top. Because it's on the top, we're going to take the end of the rope and we're going to go through the top. Then we're going to go over the top, and as soon as we do this, we're going to poke it right back through that hole. Grab these two pieces together. This is what forms a bite. And the other end, and pull it tight. And there you have, once again, the inside bowline. There are many ways to tie this knot. Oh, I should put that back. The end result is that it has to be an inside bowline. This is the two stressed parts. It has to be a bowline, and the dead end has to be inside this loop right here. It's easy to tie it the other direction, but your end result should look just like this. All right, thanks.